This DIY bow tutorial is for my subscribers who are wanting to switch it up because y'all are tired of seeing the same bows everywhere over and over and over again. That gets played out to the max. Today's DIY bows for candy apples and sweet treats are more simplified. You won't get confused with these bows. I'm bringing arts and crafts to you divas today. You will need your satin ribbon, matching thread, stitch and needle. Make sure thread and ribbon matches. You will also need scissors, ruler, and flower embellishments. All of the material can be found down in my Amazon bake shop in the description box down below. This is Candy Apple TV. I'm your host and founder, DIY Queen Diva. First, we're going to start out with the measurements for candy apples, which will be 18 inches. And then with your other sweet treats, we're gonna go down some, like your Rice Krispie treats, your cake pops. You want a smaller bow. I cut the ribbon at 18 inches. Wrap the ribbon around your hand like this. Then you take the ribbon off your hand. Once you take the ribbon off your hand, you want to form a line down the middle of the ribbon. This is where you will stitch your thread. To form the line, you must fold the ribbon. You have creased down the ribbon to form your line. Now you want to take your thread and you want to stitch the back of the bow like this. Now pull your stitching needle and thread up, and you take this thread and you just wrap around the bow to form the bow. Now before I show you how to end this bow, let's go ahead and measure out our ribbon for our other sweet treats like Rice Krispies and cake pops. Your measurement for your ribbon should be 12 inches. Cut the ribbon. Take the ribbon and fold it around your hand like this. Take it off your hand. Fold the ribbon to crease a line so you'll have a direction where to stitch your thread. Now stitch going up the line like this. Once you're at the top of your bow, you want to pull the thread up and then wrap the thread around the bow. After wrapping your bow with the thread about 5 times, you want to make sure you turn the bow on the back and stitch under the thread about 2 times, and then you cut your thread. So I am just stitching under the thread on the back of the bow. Now I am cutting any extra strings, and at this point you can fluff out your bow and you can even up your tails. I am just cutting the tails straight across. Then burn the tips. Your bow should be looking like this. Fluff out your bow and pull down your tails. Please leave down in the comment section if you like this bow tutorial. Now I am going to add on the flower embellishments. This one looks too big. I am just going to use the smaller roses. This is cute. I like this. Now I am going to show you what this looks like on a candy apple stick. This is what it looks like. Measure again in 12 inches. This time I am going to burn my tips first to see if this will cut down on the time. I am just repeating the process. You take your ribbon and you fold it around your hand like this. You take it off your hand, crease a line down the middle of the bow by folding the bow evenly. This will be your guide to thread your bow. I am threading the bow, and then I wrap the thread around the bow in the middle about 5 times. Pull the thread up. Wrap the thread around the bow in the middle about 5 times. Then you make sure you are on the back of the bow and you're going to go up under the thread. You're going to sew twice up under the thread and then cut the thread. Once you're done with this step, you fluff out your bow. You cut your tails evenly. So burning the tips first didn't cut down the time because I still need to cut the tails even and then burn my tips. I still think this is too big, so I will stick with the mini roses. If you have enjoyed this candy apple bow tutorial, make sure you stay tuned to watch my next videos coming up right here on Candy Apple TV. I'll see you in a few seconds over in the next videos.